Want to save 10 hours a week, grow like a pro, and create mind-blowing content, all without spending a single rupee? These 10 free AI tools will turn you into a content machine in 2025. AI isn't just the future, it's your unfair advantage right now. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious, these free tools are transforming the way we work, create, and grow. So buckle up, because what you're about to see can change your 2025 forever. First up, ChatGPT. It's like having a genius co-founder, writer, and idea machine all rolled into one. Need emails, scripts, content ideas, or code? Just ask, and it delivers. No design skills? No problem. Canva Magic lets you describe your idea and turns it into scroll-stopping visuals instantly. It's your personal design genie. Lights, camera, AI. Runway ML brings Hollywood-level video editing to your laptop, from background removal to full video generation, no crew needed. Turn any blog post into a slick video with Pictory. Add stock clips, captions, voiceovers, and boom, you've got share-worthy content in minutes. Writing copy that sells just got effortless. Copy.ai creates captions, emails, product descriptions, all with personality and punch. One click, done. Need Pixar-style visuals, game art, stunning thumbnails? Leonardo.Ai creates jaw-dropping artwork. Just from a prompt, it's visual magic on demand. Fliki takes your script and turns it into a voiceover video in your chosen voice, language, and style, perfect for reels, explainers, or faceless YouTube videos. Presentations reimagined. Just type your topic and Tome builds a full deck with text, visuals, and flow. Say goodbye to PowerPoint stress forever. Want a website without the tech headache? Durable builds a full site for your business in under a minute. It's seriously that easy. Got an idea for a business? Mixo launches it for you with a landing page, lead capture, and branding before your coffee even cools. In just minutes and $0, you can write, design, build, and launch like a pro. These 10 tools are your unfair advantage for 2025. So, which one's your favorite? Drop a comment with the tool you want a full tutorial on, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Tomorrow's video is packed with even crazier tools you won't believe are free.